If you have an iPhone 13 Pro or newer and you haven't tried out macro mode, oh, you're going to love this. Traditionally, iPhones have really struggled taking macro photos or videos. No matter what you try, you just couldn't focus down to anything close to macro. But the latest iPhones have switchable macro mode that's actually really impressive. To enable macro on iPhone 13 Pro and newer, navigate to Settings, then Camera, then at the base of the menu tap on Macro Control. If we now switch back to our camera view and I grab this little starfish decoration here, you can see that the macro icon turns on as I bring it close to the ultra-wide lens. Now we can focus down to just 2 centimeters to capture intense detail. Of course, tapping the macro icon will also turn the function off and on as desired. Macro mode switches automatically in video mode, so you'll see that icon on screen nice and easy. You can also use macro in time-lapse mode, but only if you switch to the ultra-wide angle lens. And same for slow-mo. Select the ultra-wide lens, lock your focus nice and close, and hit record. The effects can be truly stunning. If you enjoyed that tip, please consider subscribing to my channel. And in fact, if you want to stay connected and soak up all of my absolute best iPhone camera tips updated for 2023, do not miss this one right here, because I tell you what, even if you thought you knew all there was to know about your iPhone's camera, there's going to be stuff in here that's going to absolutely blow your mind. See you there.